Welcome to
Cutting with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're in my account called Kid Deco in Scratch, and this is my project called Minecraft Shooter Game.
So it's a remix.
Yeah. So I changed over here. It's supposed to be Ghost, but I changed it into a creeper.
So you have to shoot these down. You have to shoot the creepers down.
Bad creeper. One time when I played Minecraft, a creeper exploded right in front of me, and I almost died. But luckily, I had a toenail of undying, but I lost my toenail of undying. That's why I don't like creepers. I had to erase because when I uploaded this picture, it had a lot of white around it.
You can search transparent. Yeah. And there will be no white.
And then I have this.
With a crossbow.
Crossbow, yes.
The costume is called Witch A.
Well, because
it was originally a witch.
And ghost and potion. The arrow was supposed to be a
diamond.
Yeah, a diamond.
Or a gem.
And it doesn't really look like a book because I erased some parts of it because I'm a very bad eraser.
Then TNT. The creepers shoot TNT.
Because, they
explode.
Both of them explode.
Yeah, so originally the ghost shoot potions, right?
Yeah. I don't know why.
Then the line. What's the line?
Creeper.
So like the enemy.
Yeah. I also changed the health. It was supposed to be 10. It was so hard, so I changed it to 15. And if there's still no creepers, it may still shoot TNTs.
Out of nowhere.
Yeah. So it's harder.
You also changed the background, right?
Yeah.
Is there any code in the background?
Yes.
Oh.
It's messages. So when you get them. Okay. Wait, where is it? Where is it? Okay, so if you touch a TNT, it will -1 health. If you touching the creeper, -2. So it's easy to
the creeper go down, so if you
shoot a creeper, you need to
eliminate them before they touch you. You can win, but what if you shoot them, they go down, right? What if they touch you? You lose health? That's harder, but they go straight down. You need to move away very fast.
And it's hard to move away.
So you uploaded all the things, right?
Yeah, Creeper, Alex, Zero, and TNT.
And the backdrop.
Yeah, backdrop.
Let's play it.
I've lose. I just added the lose.
You lose. And you win.
You win.
Okay,
wow.
Let's play it.
Okay.
Kalia goes first.
Space to shoot the arrows.
And right and left arrow keys to move.
Yeah.
There's 27 creepers.
Yeah.
You have 14 health. Sometimes you can shoot 2 or 3 creepers.
I keep getting the TNT.
You lose when you lose all your health, and you win by shooting all the creepers.
And not touching the TNT.
Or the creeper. You have 1 more. Oh, you lose.
Look, when you press again.
You do it again, but you have to wait my turn. Oops.
You're minus. Oh, you're 6, 5, 3.
Oh shoot. Oh no.
Arrow.
You wait.
See 27 creepers. No creeper touching me. No.
Oops.
Oh.
You touched the TNT.
No. Yeah.
10 health.
Better than you, at least. No. The first row is the hardest because,
they're so close. So, you don't have not much time to escape.
Yeah, not much time. It's very
My turn. turn. Okay then. Doop. 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 Oh shoot.
You keep
Doop.
get
Doop.
touching by the TNT. The TNT is
Doop.
unpredictable.
Doop.
Dun dun dun.
I missed every creeper. Oh shoot.
Nightmare
Oh
House.
shoot. No. TNT's coming out of nowhere.
That's how it's hard.
Oh no.
If you touch,
Oh no.
my advice is to try to shoot the first row of creeper, then the second row of creeper, then the third row of creeper.
Let's wait.
Yeah. When I try to press the
creeper.
restart button, the creeper automatically respawns. Yeah.
Oopsie. You should add some music later.
Yeah.
You have 2 more health.
No.
You touch a creeper or 2 TNTs,
I
say
died.
goodbye. Bye-bye. You touched the TNT.
I
My
think
turn.
I have something to change.
What?
How about change the health to 20?
Change the health to 20?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Alex, and code. Yeah. And go up. And 20. 20.
Okay, let's play it again. One more time.
Yeah. Oops. Like, literally, I keep getting touched. No.
You got 2 TNTs that roll creepers down in 1 shot.
Yeah, it's really rare. I really want to get a
2 more
shot.
health.
No.
10 more health. 10 more health.
Yeah, I can shoot this one.
You lost.
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay, let's stop it.
And
that's
it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.